sales representatives spend thousands of hours logging activities, updating fields, and researching prospects. The universal friction in modern sales operations is the sheer volume of manual data entry required to keep a system of record accurate. Every hour spent copying and pasting data from a LinkedIn profile or an inbox is an hour stolen from actually closing deals. The current software response to this friction is structurally flawed. Developers take legacy relational databases and simply strap basic request-response AI chatbots onto the side of the data entry form. In these setups, the human operator still carries the entire cognitive load. They have to prompt the tool, verify the truth of the output, and ultimately write it down in the database. Trycompai CRM reverses this architecture. This open-source repository removes the human from the data ingestion loop entirely. This system treats the autonomous AI agent as the primary product. Every other component, from the API to the UI, exists solely to support the agent's research workflow. Traditional systems use AI to assist humans in filling out forms. This Agentic-First approach uses the CRM interface purely as a passive ledger to display what the autonomous worker has already found and verified. The Trycompai agent runs on its own persistent schedule. It leases tasks from a work queue and executes them independently, never waiting for a human query to trigger its actions. The agent independently manages its workload, expends computational tokens, and writes findings to the ledger. You can shut down your laptop entirely. Because workflows are asynchronous, the evaluation loop continues without a user connection. The CRM interface you actually look at is simply a read-only historical record of the decisions the agent has already executed. Standard generative tools force the user to sit at a keyboard, submit a request, and wait idly while text generates on the screen. Achieving true software autonomy requires dismantling that traditional request-response cycle. You build a system that executes the work in the background, leaving the human user strictly as a spectator to the results. The first architectural rule of the Trycompai repository is strict. The backend API must deliberately contain zero intelligence. The Nest.js backend acts purely as a dumb event queue. Its only job is to record that something happened, like the ingestion of a new email thread, by writing a raw event row to the database. The intelligence lives entirely in the worker. The smart agent continuously pulls unread rows from this queue, leases the data, and determines what it means. The API never pushes commands. This autonomous worker is built on Vercel Eve. This is a file system-first framework specifically designed to orchestrate long-running autonomous tasks. This timeline graph illustrates the critical engineering concept of durable sessions. If the server redeploys or a process terminates mid-execution, the framework captures the exact state of the agent in memory. Because the state is preserved, the agent survives those infrastructure interruptions seamlessly. It spins back up and resumes its research precisely where the previous cycle stopped. By separating the intelligence logic from the API and housing it in a durable worker, complex analytical tasks are protected. Even during major server updates, the queue ensures no operations are lost in transit. This decoupling extends to the front end, which is built entirely around URL-driven state. Every single parameter you manipulate, list filters, column sorting, and pagination limits, is encoded directly into the web address bar using the new QS library. Copying the URL and sending it to another team member perfectly reproduces your exact view of the CRM pipeline. The interface instantly populates dull records with deep context. An automated brand data enrichment pipeline pulls in company logos, industry classifications, and physical map locations without a single manual keystroke. Every contact and company profile features a dedicated agent tab. This provides a real-time, transparent log showing the worker's internal reasoning, exact search steps, and why it discarded specific leads. When a backend system is fully autonomous, the front end must provide absolute transparency. If users cannot see exactly how a conclusion was reached, they will inherently distrust the generated data. To guarantee that trust, Trycompai operates on a strict epistemic rule: nothing is guessed. This diagram illustrates how the system explicitly rejects standard confidence scores, stripping the model's ability to rate certainty. Instead, an evidence ledger accepts only hard, observable proof, like an email signature. writing it directly to the database. Large language models are designed to be helpful. If you ask a model to grade its own confidence, it will often score itself highly, producing hallucinations disguised as high-probability facts. Anything that doesn't meet the threshold of strong evidence is routed to a human review queue. The human user manually resolves the ambiguities that the agent actively refuses to guess on. A confidently wrong fact injected into a CRM database is vastly more dangerous than a completely blank field, because a hallucination requires manual audits to detect. Structural constraints provide more data integrity than prompt engineering. You protect the ledger by physically stripping the model of its power to fabricate information. Granting autonomous agents access to sensitive enterprise data introduces a severe security threat: data exfiltration. The nightmare scenario is a malicious prompt injection hidden inside a customer's incoming email, designed to trick the underlying language model into executing unauthorized commands. Trycompai defends against this using a secure deny-all sandbox. The agent executes all of its commands inside an isolated environment. The first physical constraint of this sandbox is a strict zero-network egress policy. The execution shell simply cannot reach the outside internet. This system map highlights the second constraint. The agent's execution environment has absolutely zero access to the Postgres database. All external network and database requests are physically blocked from within the shell. By removing the pathways out, data exfiltration becomes technically impossible. Even if a prompt injection fully compromises the model's logic, it has no credentials and no outbound network to steal the information. Enterprise-grade AI security relies on physical infrastructure constraints. You protect the system by eliminating the agent's capability to cause harm, rather than attempting to trust the intelligence of the model itself. To further limit risk, the entire repository is single-tenant by design. It is built exclusively for internal, single-company deployments, completely removing multi-tenant organization boundaries. This repository flips the standard sales software model. It moves operations from a human-driven relational database to an autonomous, evidence-based ledger. By combining Nest.js event queues, Vercel Eve session durability, and stringent sandbox security, this architecture provides the exact blueprint for how go-to-market operations will scale. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel for more open-source AI tools and hit the bell icon.